Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can import fonts into CapCut PC. So I'm just going to download this font right here. You can download it from any site you want. I'm just going to start download and I'm just going to open up the file so I can install it. Why is it taking longer than I expected? It usually doesn't take this long. I don't know why it's taking so long. Anyways, once you're done, I'm just going to click open and I'm going to open up the font type. Then I'm going to press install. It's called cat files, so make sure you kind of memorize the font. Then I'm going to actually close CapCut. And it does take a long time to close a project. I think I just have too many files right now. That's why it's lagging. So once you've closed CapCut, it like doesn't want to close. Okay, I'm just gonna pause it and then I'll be back once I've closed the app. Sorry about that. I'm then going to open up CapCut again and I will open up the project once I've closed it. Then I'm just going to go to text and I'm going to add in the default text. It's called cat files, my one. So just go to font and then you're just going to type in the font that you downloaded and you're going to just select it. It is that simple, honestly. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!